Hello everyone, the My Monthly Hero is back and I'm so excited to share with you this month's release. Let's start with the My Monthly Hero kit. First off is this super adorable postcard that gives you a nice taste of the fun goodies inside. Flip it over and on the back you have a very handy guide that shows you all of the different colored cardstocks as well as their names included in this kit. Some beautiful colors, love this palette, and here is the cardstocks. It is an 8.5 by 5.5 sheet, and you have several colors packed up in here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the beautiful color cardstocks included in this kit. Love that palette, so pretty, great for flowers, and all of the wonderful mail-themed products in this set. Our first product included in our card kit is the Special Delivery Stamp and Cut. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set with some wonderful images to build a mailbox. You even have some birds, a postage stamp, and there's sentiments as well. And the sentiments can actually fit inside of that postage stamp, which is wonderful too. And on the back side, because this is a stamp and cut, you have all the coordinating dies for all of the images as well as all the sentiments. And here are some fun projects created with this kit. We have this awesome mailbox with even some mail tucked inside. And then we have this super cute card where you can see the postage stamp with some of the images and sentiments stamped inside as well. Next up, we have the mini note card die set. This awesome set creates a card and envelope that can even double as like a package. On the back here, you can see all of the dies, and these two large dies here can actually be folded up to create your card and envelope. The dies will create a little score line on your die cut, so you simply fold it along that score line, give it a good press with your score tool, and you have a little card. And here in the envelope, you can see all four sides are pre-scored. Just fold it over. Give it a good press with your score tool. And then last you have the top. And you can close it down. And that creates a cute little envelope that the card can actually fit inside. Here are some projects created with the mini note card die set. You have this fun one here with a cute little card with the sentiment from this stamp set here on top. And then you have this one here. You can see the envelope opened up, even lined a little bit by die cutting twice. And then you open up your card and you have your sentiment inside. So almost fun little interactive card, very easy to create. And next we have the Postbox die set. This awesome set creates a mailbox that you can actually tuck in envelopes or your little cards that you created with the mini note card die set. In the back you can see all of the dies. There's even a couple dies that you can use for your sentiment as well. You can create a bouquet and even add a sweet little bird or a snail. Let's put this mailbox together real quick. Here's the mailbox all die cut out. You can see the envelope can go right inside this slot right here, just like so. You can even put the lid on top and still have the envelope kind of poking out, which is so cute. You can even use that package that you created, the mini notes, that can be tucked inside, as well as the bouquet created with this set. So you can really have this mailbox overflowing with goodies. And then there's a little spot on the bottom where you can put your newspaper. Super cute. Such a fun and easy kind of interactive set. And here's some fun cards created with this set. You can see this mailbox is definitely overflowing with wonderful goodies. And this one has a full, beautiful bouquet inside. So this is everything included in the January My Monthly Hero, but If you want even more goodies, let's check out the superhero. In keeping with the Happy Mail and newspaper theme, we have this wonderful front page stamp and cut included in the superhero. This creates a front page of a newspaper that you can fill in with your sentiment. We have today's news, and you could have today is all about you, or you're the best, or happy birthday. And on the back, because this is a stamp and cut, you have the coordinating dies that die cut out that newspaper, as well as all the sentiments and accents included in this set. Let's look at some projects. Here you can see on this card, we have the sentiment stamped in bright, colorful inks to really highlight that this is a fun and creative birthday card. And then this one, we have a different kind of layout showing two newspapers. And again, a fun and creative birthday card, and the sentiments are popping thanks to those wonderful dies included in this set. And our last superhero product is the Postage Frames die set. This adorable set has a large die that creates a postage frame panel, as well as a super cute little puppy here that even has his own little mail hat and carrying bag. Here on the back, you can see all the dies. Let's look at some fun projects with this set. Here you can see the postage frame die cut out. It fits that A2 panel beautifully. And of course, that cute little puppy, he can be all by himself, or you can add his little uniform, complete with carrier bag and hat. And of course, there's some postage stamps, images as well, to create build a whole little scene. And of course, this pup makes a great addition with some of the other images and stamps in this set. You can see it's combined with that stamp mailbox. Super cute, create this fun scene. And we have this one here where the pup is carrying that large bouquet from the My Monthly Hero kit. Super adorable little set. And that is everything included in the superhero. You have, again, the My Monthly Hero products here and our two awesome superhero products added to the whole release. Make sure you check out all of the samples and all the projects over at HeroArts.com. My Monthly Hero is $45, or get the whole My Monthly Superhero for just $75. But supplies are limited, so pick up your kit today. Shop now at HeroArts.com.